Today we'll be teaching you these two as organizing and collecting data. I have two students that will be helping me, and here's an example. Sorry for the bad writing, but I don't have any good stuff here. Okay, so if we were going to collect...
Can we do ours on here?
Yeah, that's what you guys can do. So if you want to kind of... Here, you want to do it on this board?
Sure, why not?
Yeah, no, why not? You want to make sure that you put it in. First, you want to tally it off, see how many. Then you want to put it in number form, and then you want to put it in fraction. And then you kind of want to just say your total and stuff. So if we were going to count us, we have 2 blondes and 2 browns. And that's all we have right here. No reds and stuff. So if you were going to tally, he would put 1 and 2 here. And the next one he would do is he would do his total and he'd put it in fraction form. You mind to make that a little bit bigger? You need some help?
No.
Is this right? Let me check it. Here is the right board. You see how you do this? You tally it, see 2 here, then you write the number, and then you put the fraction. For here on brown we had 1, so it's 1/3. For 2 we had 2 blondes for 2/3. For reds we had 0, so it's 0/3. So that is pretty much collecting and organizing data. And
yes.
We will show you one more.
The top, okay, so right here, we're doing hair. This is color hair, so you put hair right here.
Yep.
And then over here is tally, because we're doing tally marks, so tally. Then the total. Then the fractions.
Yep, very good. Now, as she's finishing up, why wouldn't you like to go on to collecting eyes to show the class? Why don't both of you just go on to do eyes, show them how you can do just another one, just to try to...
Well, eyes is pretty much the same thing, except it's eyes instead of hair.
And we're just trying to review, just to make sure you remember it. Just to make sure. So, let's see if you were paying attention.
Okay, so green.
So how did you figure out there's one? How do you collect that data?
Because one person has green eyes. 2
Recalculate. 2 has green. 1 has green.
Then 2 have brown and 2 have blue.
Yep.
So
Good
that's
job.
1,
Fixed out the problem.
2, and then that's 2 again. 2. So that'd be 5.
If you figure out the fraction, it'd be 1 out of
5.
3. 5.
And then 2
2
out of 5. And then
2
out of 5. So,
Well, if you had 5.
and then once again, eyes up here. Tally. Total. Fraction.
That pretty much is a right on there. That's a good, solid board. Fraction. Okay, first your tallies first. Write the number second, and fractions third. So, that's pretty much how we do it. That sums it up for collecting organized data. Thank you. Bye.
Push the red button again.